Samsung has unpacked their tech bag and has unveiled a bunch of cool new gadgets which includes the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the Z Flip 6, the redesigned Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro, as well as two new Galaxy wearables which includes the Galaxy Ring and the Apple Watch Ultra. So let's dive into the details of these newly launched products, starting with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The phone now has flat edges when compared to the last generation Fold 5, and the cover screen has gone from a 6.2-inch display on the Fold 5 to a 6.3-inch display, which has made the phone shorter and wider so that it feels more comfortable to use when folded. And when you unfold it, you get a 7.6-inch screen. The phone has become lighter as it weighs 239 grams when compared to the 253 grams of the Fold 5, thanks to the titanium frame construction. The Fold 6's camera hardware is much the same as last year, featuring a 50MP main camera, a 10MP 3x telephoto camera, but it has an updated 12MP ultra-wide camera. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Moving on to the Galaxy Z Flip 6, it is also powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and is the first flip phone to get vapor chamber cooling to keep the phone cool. And talking about the design, there are only minor changes from last year's flip phone. The edges have become flat just like the Fold 6, but unlike the Fold 6, the Flip 6 has some major hardware improvements. Like the RAM being upgraded to 12GB from 8GB, the battery capacity has gone from 3700 mAh to 4000 mAh, and the phone gets the same 50MP main camera as the Fold. This year's foldables have become more durable, stronger and better than last year's foldables. And even though there is less improvement on the hardware side, there are a lot of cool AI features added to these phones like Live Translate, Text Suggestions, Sketch to Image, Ambient Wallpapers and Note Assist. Now let's take a look at the new wearables announced at the event, and let's start with the watches. Samsung has introduced the new Galaxy Watch 7 with some minor changes. Notable upgrades includes a new chip with faster processing speeds and with the ability to conserve battery. And I feel they have given it minor improvements because Samsung has introduced a new device, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, with a rugged design that looks suspiciously similar to the Apple Watch Ultra. Galaxy Watch Ultra has up to 100-meter water resistance and has a titanium body with sapphire crystal glass construction to make it more durable. The watch also has a quick launch button and a red night mode watch face just like on the Apple Watch, which makes it a good competitor for the Apple Watch Ultra. So this is the Galaxy Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro, and this year they have completely redesigned their buds and have gone from this round shape to this design with the stem, and Samsung calls it the blade design. The Galaxy Buds 3 and the Buds 3 Pro also gets a refresh case design with transparent lids, which gives it a sci-fi look, especially when it is in this grey color, and the LED lights on the buds just adds to this look even more. The buds get 30 hours of playback without active noise cancellation and 26 hours with active noise cancellation switched on. Finally, we have more details on the Galaxy Ring. So the Galaxy Ring comes in 3 colors, gold, silver and black. The ring also comes in different sizes, and bigger the ring, bigger will be the battery. The ring comes inside a transparent charging case and has IP68 water resistance, and it also gets up to 7 days of battery life, which means you can just wear it all the time just like a normal ring, and it offers 24/7 health monitoring and sleep tracking and much more. The best part about this ring is that you just have to pay the price of the ring and does not require you to pay an additional subscription fee like its competitors. So that is everything that you need to know about the new Galaxy devices. If you want to know more about the AI features on the Galaxy phones, then check out these videos and don't forget to like and subscribe.